Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to Qualification Match 17 here at the Idaho Regional. We're in the autonomous period here where the robots are running pre-programmed code. All 6 robots out here on the field showing some signs of life as they move across and score onto their respective reefs. Both Red Alliance and Blue Alliance leading the autonomous period with 1 coral scored on that upper branch. And as the drivers take control now, the Red Alliance continues to score 90-44, scoring one onto the lower position and going over to their player station, feeder station, to grab another coral, move back over to try to score that. As we look at the blue side of the field, 192 grabbing an algae from their reef and working their way up to the barge to try to score that in for some extra barge points. We'll see that reflected on our live scores as they update to 32-20, advantage red. Red side of the field with a blue robot on it, trying to dissuade the Red Alliance from their scoring efforts. Red Alliance not disturbed as they continue to fill out their reef, both in the second highest position as well as the top of that reef, trying to get over to that ranking point acquired from filling out those 5 positions. Both alliances have 1 algae up in our barge. Working on a second one is the Blue Alliance, and that successfully makes its way up there. Unfortunately, no motion for 3669, the Carbon Knights so far. We'll see if they can get their code rebooted and back into the match. Blue Alliance going for 1 more algae up into the barge, but not quite successful. Your scores still anyone's game with over a minute left. 62 points on the Red Alliance, 24 for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance continuing to score and fill out their reef. Alliance partner 5-4-6-1 with 1 game piece coral working its way over to the reef and trying to get that scored in there. Blue Alliance robots trying to hold their own on the blue side of the field as they continue scoring algae into the barge. 3 algae so far for your Blue Alliance, and the Red Alliance is 1. The Red Alliance will need to get 1 more algae into that position if they want to get that ranking point before the time expires. Just under 30 seconds left here, and we'll head into our protected end game where robots will try to find the cages that are all positioned in the deep configuration this round. We'll see which robots can work their way off the ground. Lots of action out here on the field as the Red Alliance fills out 1 more algae into the upper barge and gets ready to finish their climb. As time expires, our live scores show a large discrepancy. Red Alliance will take this one away. Final score of 104 points. The Blue Alliance is 40. Red Alliance walking away with 5 of those 6 ranking points. 1 for the autonomous, 1 for the barge, and 3 of those points coming from winning